Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use my indicator strategy to do the backtesting and see how it has performed on various asset classes. So for this demo, I'm going to use Bitcoin and see how it has performed in recent past. I've been using this indicator and sharing that with you. If you don't have this indicator, please reach out to me. You can use my contact to reach out to me. This is the indicator. Once you add it, you'll be able to see buy and sell signals. So there are four signals that will come. First one is a strong buy, which has buy mentioned below the triangle, green triangle, and there is small green triangle below the candle, which is partial buy. And there is red triangle above the candle, and it has sell mentioned, which is a strong sell, and there is partial sell, which just has a red triangle over the candle. For this strategy, I'm going to consider only three, which is strong buy, partial buy, and strong sell to see backtesting and how it has performed in Bitcoin. So eventually you will be able to see whenever there is a sell signal, I am going to sell, and there is a immediate next there is a partial buy, I'm going to buy here, and whenever there is a next sell signal, I'll be able to sell it. So this is how the strategy I'm going to test. So as I mentioned, this is the strategy. Here I will show you a demo of how it works. So for example, here there is a sell signal, and immediate next candle I'm selling it, and next buy signal is here, and immediate candle I'm going to buy, and next sell comes here, I'm going to sell. So likewise, I will be buying only when there is a buy signal, and I will sell, and I will move my money in cash. So that is the idea behind this strategy testing. As you can see, when I switch on this strategy, you will be able to see the performance down below. So for this demo, I'm going to use a 3-year time frame. Usually the performance is listed like this, but I'm going to try and see how the performance is for last 3 years. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to buy when there is a buy signal. So in this case, there is a buy signal here. Immediate next day I'm buying, and then I'm selling after immediate sell signal. By the way, I have kept daily time frame, and since my indicator works only in Hakinachi candle, I am going to use that as a candle pattern. Now you can see 3-year time frame. What I have done is, here I have just removed this styles, so you can see only the buy and sell signals, and you can see here I have kept initial capital of 1000 USD, and I'm going to invest 100 percentage of that 1000 USD when I buy, when there is a buy signal, and I'm going to use only one buy when there is a buy signal, and I'm going to sell when there is a sell signal. I'm going to hold it in cash. So it is a long only strategy I'm going to follow. So you can see the performance of the indicator. So for last 3 years, the Bitcoin has moved up and down. So for example, here you see, um, if you have invested 100 USD, you will be able to see a drawdown of maybe more than 50 percentage, and then again it has ended after 3 years, it has ended around 47 percentage. By doing active trading with my indicator, you see the drawdown is reduced as well as the performance is improved. So the performance here you can see it has gone from just by holding you get 50 percentage, but here you see more than 200 300 percentage. So that is how the indicator has performed in last 3 years. So you can see also the percentage profitability, which is 68 percentage, and profit factor is 14 percentage. Average trade is 11 percentage every time you trade. So here you can see that drawdown is 16 percentage. Many people have a problem with the maximum drawdown. What I can show is you can also reduce the drawdown by changing the way you deploy the cash. So here I'm going to keep only 50 percentage of the original amount, which is whenever there is a buy signal, I'll just invest 500 USD and I will invest two times. Okay, so here the capital available is 1000 USD, but I will deploy 50%, which is 500 USD, and I will deploy it two instances. I'll just show you here. Say for example, there is a sell signal here. I get out of that and I buy it here. So 50% of my cash is deployed here, and another 50% is deployed here, and it and I will sell 100% when there is a sell signal. Here you can see I deploy 50%, but since there is no other buy signal, I just get out by just deploying only 50%. Here again I deploy 50% and I get out. Here again 50% I get out. But here you can see there is two buy. So here I deploy 50% and again I deploy 50%. So you can see how much the performance is if you deploy it in a gradual manner. Say the performance has not degraded much, but you can see the profitability has increased, profit factor has increased, and maximum drawdown has also improved. So this is what this is how you have to deploy and reduce your drawdown. This will help you make sure that you don't have a drawdown when there is market turn. So I can improve this drawdown by changing further. You can also try and see how it works for you. So here I deploy 25 percentage whenever there is a buy signal, and I deploy it for like four times, because 25 times 400 percentage I deploy, and I deploy it in a four instance. So you can see the performance. So the performance has decreased, but you can see the curve has gradually moved up, and your maximum drawdown is also reduced. So you have to understand whether you want profit or you want maximum. You are okay with the maximum drawdown, and also you can see the numbers changing in percentage profitability as well as profit factor, because there is less chance of failure. These numbers have improved. So in summary, if you do active trading in volatile instrument like Bitcoin, you will be able to significantly outperform buying and holding. So in this case, you can see your performance is improved from just 50 percentage to 300 percentage, and also the drawdown is improved from 50 percentage drawdown to 16 percentage drawdown. And you can also change the way you deploy the cash to get significant outperformance, or maybe reduce the drawdown. Again, if you want to use this strategy, reach out to me and you can do the back testing. If you have any questions, I'll be here to support you. Thank you.